Welcome to Craft Catalog, where creativity turns ordinary spaces into something beautiful. If your bedroom feels small, cluttered, or just a little dull, do not worry, today we are transforming that space together. In this video we are exploring simple and affordable ideas to give your small bedroom a complete makeover without expensive renovations or professional help. A small bedroom can be challenging, but it also holds endless potential. With a few smart DIY tricks, you can make it look spacious, organized, and cozy, all at once. Let us begin with the first idea. The first idea is to choose a light color palette. Colors have a huge impact on how large or small a room feels. Light shades such as white, beige, soft gray, or pastel tones can make walls look farther apart and create an airy atmosphere. If you love color, do not worry, you can still use accent tones like mint green, blush pink, or sky blue for a refreshing touch. Paint one wall or even your bed frame to give it a stylish highlight without overpowering the room. The second idea is vertical storage. When space is limited, think upward instead of outward. Install simple floating shelves above your bed or desk to hold books, plants, or decor pieces. You can easily make these shelves using small wooden planks or even scrap wood. Paint or stain them to match your wall color for a seamless, designer look. Vertical storage not only saves floor space but also makes your room appear taller and more organized. The third idea is multifunctional furniture. If your room is small, every piece of furniture should work twice as hard. Try using a bed with drawers underneath or a foldable desk that attaches to the wall. You can also repurpose old furniture. For example, turn a wooden crate into a bedside table or stack two to create a mini bookshelf. These small touches make a big difference in how functional your space feels. The fourth idea is lighting. Good lighting can completely transform the vibe of your bedroom. Instead of relying on one ceiling light, use multiple light sources. Soft bedside lamps, fairy lights, or LED strips behind your headboard. Warm white lights make a small room feel cozy and inviting, while cool tones create a modern, airy look. If you want an easy DIY, wrap fairy lights around a simple wood frame for a glowing wall accent that doubles as decor. Fifth idea is declutter and simplify. This step costs nothing but has the biggest impact. A small bedroom feels tight mainly because of unnecessary items. Take a moment to organize drawers, remove what you no longer need, and leave only what brings value. Add baskets, wooden boxes, or small storage bins to keep essentials tidy. Remember, a clean space always looks larger and more peaceful. Now let us talk about decor. Even in a small bedroom, you can make it look stunning with the right touches. Hang lightweight curtains that allow sunlight to flow in. Use mirrors to reflect light and create the illusion of space. Add one large wall art or a few smaller pieces made from wood or canvas for personality. You can even craft your own decor pieces, like a small wooden nameplate, picture frame, or plant shelf. Do not forget about your bedding. Soft textures and layered fabrics make a small room feel luxurious without crowding it. Mix cotton sheets with knitted throws or linen pillowcases for a calm, cozy vibe. If you love DIY, try sewing your own cushion covers from leftover fabric. It is a small project that adds both comfort and charm. Another important element is layout. When rearranging furniture, focus on open walking space. Push larger items like the bed against the wall and keep pathways clear. This not only improves flow but also helps the room breathe. If your space allows, angle your bed slightly. It can make the layout look fresh and unique. You can also personalize your space with simple wood accents. A handmade wooden headboard, a mini nightstand, or even a framed art piece brings warmth and natural beauty to your bedroom. Wood adds texture, and the best part is, you can make these pieces yourself with basic tools. No heavy carpentry required, just creativity and care. Before we wrap up, let us recap the essentials. To transform a small bedroom, use light colors, add vertical storage, choose multifunctional furniture, improve lighting, declutter regularly, and include handmade touches that reflect your style. Each of these steps is simple, affordable, and can be done in just a weekend. You do not need a big space to live beautifully. All you need is smart design and a few personal DIY touches. When you wake up in a room you love, even a small space can feel like a luxury retreat. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog. If you found these ideas helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor, woodworking, and DIY inspiration every 2 days. Your next craft project is just one video away.